In today's video, we're going to be starting something new on this channel. I'm going to be having two different playlists. One is for Shopify, and then this one is going to be all about side hustles and ways to make money online. So for this very first method, I'm going to be showing you a very interesting way to make money. And as you guys may know, I'm really into drop shipping, and this specific technique that I'm going to show you today is called drop sourcing. So it's essentially you can like choose not to drop source the job. You can do it yourself, but I personally drop source it, and I'm gonna show you exactly step by step how to make an extra $100 to $200 per week easily using this method. So the first thing I want you guys to do is download Google Chrome, because this method doesn't work on Safari. And right away, once you download it, by the way, it's for free. You just like type in Google Chrome, and it's the first link here. Download. It's for free. It works on MacBook. So next thing you want to do is head to Google Maps, and just hover over like the area where you live in. And the next thing you want to do is go on search and search for any service like accountants, dentists, lawyers, anything that comes to your mind, any service provider. Just search it up. We can do like anything, plumbers. So if we search for plumbers in this specific area, Google Maps is actually going to show you like these red dots. So what I want you guys to do is click on some of them and just like look. Oh, here, like the first one popped up, Superior Plumbing Services. So this is a plumber, and he has his business listed on Google Maps, but like apparently the business is not claimed. And I don't know if you guys know, but like if we type in plumbers, London, Ontario, the top three are like the suggested by Google. These ones are like sponsored, but then on Google Maps you can see the top three. So the service we're going to be providing these guys, like the ones that don't have their business claim, is to rank them on these top three listings, because these top three listings get tons and tons of traffic just from people searching plumbers on Google. So the first step is to search for something like that. And it's not necessarily you can work with anyone. It doesn't have to be like not claimed. For example, this one is claimed, and I'm going to show you exactly how to work with each one of them. So let's start with the one that is not claimed. The first thing you want to do is reach out to them, and I'm going to provide a Google document down in the description showing like a transcript on what you're going to tell them. So basically what we're providing, as I told you, is to rank them higher in Google search. And because they don't have their business claimed, we can also offer to do that and get paid for it. Now, you can also offer to design a website for them. Not all of them are going to be interested, but out of all of these, definitely two or more are going to be interested. So you just got to be patient about it and do the work and do some calls. You gotta like accept the fact that you're not gonna make a sale on every call, but essentially I personally made money using this method. It's just like you put in the work and you get the money. There's no such a thing as easy money. Everything needs work. So let's go, and what I would do is call them on the phone. Like as you can see, these guys don't even have photos. They don't have a website. We can really help these guys out. So I'll show you the template here. This is the template I edited for you guys. So it says, hey, my name is X. I help businesses rank higher in Google Maps listing by optimizing business profiles. I noticed that your business has not been claimed yet. Based on my experience in the job, businesses that are not claimed businesses that are claimed perform much better and get more leads. I could start off by helping you out and doing that for you for free. So I'm offering to claim their business for free, and claiming a business is super easy, guys. It's going to take you like 30-40 minutes maximum. You just like fill in the information, who owns it, the number, the email, something like that. It's not complicated. On the other hand, I also can have you rank on the top 3 list of Google Maps. Please let me know if you're interested. Looking forward to working with you. And then add your email or your name here if you want to send this as an email, but I personally suggest you call them and explain that over the phone. Explaining that over the phone is gonna, like, you can close a sale much easier on the phone than on email. And a lot of these service workers don't really care about emails and stuff like that. But like, them ranking higher on Google is gonna give them tons of traffic and thus a lot of money, right? And so this is a win-win situation for both of you guys. So offering to claim the business for free is optional, but when I did that method before, I offered it for free just to establish like some sort of like nice relationship between me and the business. And later I was able to design their website and do their Google SEO, which is like optimizing to rank higher. So just because I offered them my service of claiming the business for free, they liked me, and they felt like they have to hire me to do more. Like when I offered my service, I think they felt that they have to pay me because I was nice to them. You get my point? Like, you don't have to do it for free. You can charge like some money for that, but it's up to you guys. So next step is after you contact them, if you know how to do it, you can learn it. It's not a hard thing to do, but like, what you want to do is go here, and their name is Superior Plumbing. You want to go here and search for them here. Okay, we're going down, 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 down. They're not even on the first page. Like they're literally not getting any traffic from Google Maps because they're like not even on the second page. That's insane. So we really can help these guys out. We even can like help any of these guys out. This guy has like good reviews. Other people don't have good reviews. You can help them out. So here we go. It's on the third page. So we can like take a screenshot of that and show them, so we can like prove to them that like how much we can help them. You can screenshot the like when you search for like plumbing services in the specific area, you can like screenshot the Google page and show them that the top 3 have a lot of ratings because they're getting a lot of traffic from Google. So just explain it and try to close the sale. You just tell them that the higher you rank, the more sales you're gonna get. It's just common sense. So once you close the call and you want to start working, I personally don't like doing the work, and that's where job sourcing comes into play. Just head there to Fiverr.com or any other website like that, and you just type in Google SEO, local business SEO. As you can see, there are tons of people that would do that for you. You want to choose something that is affordable and that is ranked. Okay, this guy has like 5-star rating and 1K plus orders. He's charging $7 Canadian dollars. You can probably charge like $200 for the business to do that for them. They don't know about Fiverr. Like they can't be bothered. They're too busy working and they just don't care about this stuff. And you bring it, like when you bring it up to them, they're gonna be like, oh yeah, that might actually be useful, and then they're gonna buy your service. They're not gonna like search for like the prices or anything. They're just gonna hire you on spot because you reached out to them. And especially if you claim their business for free, they're gonna feel like they want to help you out too. So you go here and hire this person to rank you higher on Google SEO, and then you charge the business to $300. And then if, let's say the business does have like they claim the business, but we can still help them out. These guys have only 2 reviews. They don't really have any nice photos, so we can also like fix that for them. We can go to their website if it's probably not a good website. So it's actually a good website, but like a lot of these like businesses don't have like a nice website, so you can also like offer to develop a website. For example, let's look at these guys. It's, as you can see, it's like a 2002 kind of website. You can offer to improve this website for them, and also go on Fiverr and just like open website development. So you can find a lot of people that would do that for you for like $50 and go charge $200 for it, and you just like make money just making a phone call. So this is the first method, guys. I hope you liked it. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I personally did that a couple of times before, and you essentially don't have to visit any businesses. You can do it not only in your area, you can do it in any town, in any city, as long as you can like make the phone call, or even you can send the email. I personally prefer phone calls, as I said. And I'm gonna be leaving the document, the template, in the description below. Please, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and see you in the next video.